Hello, today we're going to talk about solubility. Alright, if basically all this video is me just going through the answers for the lesson. So if you have no idea why you're watching this, I'm just going to the lesson. If you don't actually have a lesson in front of you, this lesson won't make sense at all, so please don't continue to watch it. Solubility is the amount of a substance that is required to form a saturated solution in a given amount of solvent at a specific temperature. So remember from previous lessons, a solvent is what dissolves a new material when it comes into it. So like putting table salt into water, it dissolves it. All right, a saturated solution means that it can't take any more of what's being put into it. So if you have saturated solution of water and table salt, that means more table salt you put in will just go to the bottom and it won't dissolve it. All right, so when you have a solution of gas, as the temperature goes up, the solubility goes down. So as temperature increases in a solvent with a gas dissolved in it, so we have some sort of solvent, there's a gaseous or there's a gas solute inside of it. So we have the solution. As temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the gaseous solute that was in it. So you have some solvent, you put a gaseous solute into it. As the temperature raises, it raises the temperature of both the solvent and the solute. What happens with gas when you heat it up is it starts breaking apart and it becomes spread out more. The same thing happens with this. So as the gas molecules, as it heats up, the gas molecules will escape the attraction of the solvent and return to its gas phase. All right, so sodium chloride, NaCl. The increase in temperature has little effect on the solubility of this compound. So increased temperature doesn't change the solubility curve at all. And the curve of this, so if I draw a little graph here, starts, goes up. So at 50, it's going to be at 83. Alright, this has basically just been a video answering questions on the lesson. There's a whole talk through part of it that you can do if you want, but if you watch this, there's your answers.